Good day. Hello, world. My name is Paul. I am from Ortigas, Philippines. I am an ordinary participant of MMM Global. I provided help last November 16, 2015, worth 37,000 pesos. And I request and get help last November 25, worth 44,000 pesos, and I was provided plus 5% bonus for the video. Thank you so much, MMM, to all the participants who provided me a help, and to the unique community founder, which is no other than Sir Jema Brody. Thank you so much, MMM. Together we change the world. Thank you.